What are you doing on my bed? Hey, you destroyed my bed. Look at that angel. Look at that what he's doing there. He destroyed my bed. I just fixed my bed and now when he came inside the bedroom, right away go to mama bed and oh my god, goes rolling, rolling, rolling around. Right? You're going crazy. Are you going crazy? Eh? 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 What's that? Now he's done. He's tired.